Welcome everyone. Today we have a beautiful, delicious, healthy recipe for you. Better than a date. Keep watching to see how it's made. With just 3 delicious ingredients, we have our dates, organic coconut oil. Here we have our almond milk or any dairy-free milk of your choice. And we have our dark maple syrup. Now with our dates, we will pit all of them and then we will cut them in halves to add to our blender. Listed above and below are some health benefits of this delicious recipe. Please pause the video if you would like to read them slowly. Enjoy! Once you've added your dates to your blender, add your coconut oil to the blender. Now add your organic maple syrup. Now we will add our almond milk or oat milk or dairy-free milk of your choice. Now place your top on your blender and now we blend. If your mixture is too thick, just go ahead and add some more dairy-free milk. Now our gluten-free and vegan caramel is ready to enjoy. This delicious delicacy is great for breaking your fast or any party or snack of your own. Today, we will enjoy this delicious recipe with some organic fruit. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. And while you're at it, we hope you check out our other recipe videos and much more on our channel. Please subscribe and be notified when we put out another video.